Okay, so this is an extension workshop to the dynamic atomic NFT DataFi workshop. And here we're going to kind of just show what changes need to happen um, to push to mainnet. So a couple of changes that we want to make. First, we want to use Redstone Gateway. So what we'll do is we'll go into our NFT and copy our app.svelte file. So we'll create a new file called app2.svelte. We'll just copy everything in app1 to app2 and then make the changes. So um, we want to use the Redstone gateway. So we don't need the .use Arweave gateway or .build. We can just do that. And then when we're generating a wallet and we write our interaction, we want to bundle it. So that allows us to use a wallet. We do set item. We don't need to mint because we won't be able to mint AR on mainnet, and we don't need to mine. So those are the changes that we need to make in our Permaweb app. Now, we also need to make a change in our mint. So in the warp folder, we'll just create a new file. We'll call it mint2.js. And basically, all we need to change is, we'll just copy this over, is just where we point it. So instead of local host, we're going to say host arweave.net, and our port will be 443, and the protocol, the HTTPS. Okay. That's basically all we need to change in Mint 2. And then finally, we need a real wallet. So you'll need to get a wallet JSON with some actual AR in it because it'll cost a little bit to deploy, and put that in your warp folder as wallet JSON. I think that's everything. The one last thing is in the Svelte app, we need to go into main.js and change this to app2 so that it points to app2 and builds with that. And with that, we can go into our NFT directory and run yarn build. Okay. And then we can go back into our warp directory and run node mint2.js. And we have our transaction ID on mainnet. So we can grab that, and hopefully it's already cached. So we go arweave.net in the transaction. Let's see. I just can't spell today. Arweave.net. And there's our transaction. Now it's not loading because of the contract has not been confirmed on Sonar, so or on Redstone. So once it's confirmed, then we should get our contract functionality in place. Cool. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what changes you need to make to move from AR local to Arweave. And yeah, that is how you can build a dynamic atomic NFT and add some logic to it within the Permaweb app. Thanks.